I'm just going to go ahead and put this one in. If it's too loud, I will swap it out or just unplug it. Oops. What the fuck is this hitting? Oh, God damn it. Nope. It's hitting the RAM. Bucket. Alright. Guess we'll use the rest of these screws. Is that attached to that? Pop this thing back in. Nice, nice. Let's see here. Oh shoot. There's I got one fan. What the fuck, dude? That's weird. Let's look in here, Google this thing. Maybe I can look on what I bought. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. There's like no, I don't even know what the fuck the website, let's see. It's got 3.7 stars, so that's cool. Let's see, this is Intel 2011. I was gonna say shop. I want the motherboard. What the fuck is the motherboard? What is the instructions? Do not install the motherboard with the power on. Fuck. Just kidding. What is this? Well, shit. Let's see. Shanghaozand. Let's see. SHANGZADYUAN. Mother. instruction. Oh, manuals. I think this is a PR9. That's a lot of sketchy websites. Let's see, PR9. Let's see what this says. Huh, what does this say? Ba-da-da. I want to know what the pins are. Okay. And all right. Still going? All right. So that's that's fucking tight. If I can hook this up somewhere. Let's see. I can't get my fucking fingers. There we go. Not too bad. Where the fuck is the arrow? Aha. Arrow. Ah, cock, fuck. No crunchies. That's cool. All right. Next.